Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make hand-holding picture in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to Upload. I already have an image, so add it to the canvas and increase the size to make it the full background image. Next, click on Edit Image. Scroll down and select the blur option. Apply it to the whole image, then set the intensity to 47. This will make the image slightly blurred. Go to Elements and search for a hand-holding picture. Choose any picture and add it to the image. Go to Edit Image and click on it. Click on Remove BG to remove the background. Then, place the image on the left side. Then, you need to duplicate the image, rotate it, and decrease its size. You can crop this image and set the position according to your needs. This is our image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon.